Mamosta, how can I remember new vocab words? Well, one of the best ways to remember a new word is to make a connection between that word and a word that you already know. The word you already know might be in your native language, or it might be another word in the new language you're learning. For example, when I was trying to learn Kurdish, I learned that the word for snow is buffer. Well, we have a word in English that sounds very similar, the word buffer. If I could make a connection of meaning between these two words, then it would be easier for me to remember buffer in Kurdish. In English, a buffer is something that lessens the effect of something, like a barrier that makes something less powerful. How could I make a connection between buffer in English and the meaning of buffer in Kurdish? Well, I could remember that snow is cold, and so you want something like a warm jacket to be a buffer for you against the snow. These kinds of connections help your brain to remember new words and to enjoy them more.